Hello everyone. So today we are in a farm and today I'm going to show you all of the plants. So, for example, this one. And look, they have barren field over here. And this is my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
His name is Nishad.
And I have a YouTube channel named Nishad's World.
Yes, he has a YouTube channel. It's called Nishad's World. And so Nishad, introduce yourself.
I am 7 years old and my name is Nishad.
That's all he says.
And we are going on a village trip and we are on the village.
It's not a village trip, it's actually a farm trip. We are in the place called Thirukkazhukundram, I think. It's around 40 or something kilometers from my home. I zoom in.
What's that?
You can see.
What is that? It's something like a Nerf bullet.
Yeah, it looks like a Nerf dart over there. If you can see,
That's
looks like a Nerf dart.
Square, orange, and down. It's just like a. Oh my god.
We have to be careful over here.
Yeah, the snake's coming around here.
No, I don't think there are snakes over here.
Baby.
So guys, this is her. Say hi, baby. It's very dirty. Say hi, sister.
Sister, say hi.
I'm here.
Baby, say hi. Her name is Dia, but we call her baby. And guys, this is my mom.
Hi.
And this is our dad. And this is my aunt's big sister, elder sister. And look, so these are the vegetables we got from the farm. What are they called?
Bottle gourd.
Bottle gourd.
Tamil Soraka.
Rich gourd.
This is rich gourd.
Organic vegetable.
Orgal.
And this is drumstick.
I want to.
This is drumstick.
I want to say something.
Drumstick tree.
I want to say something.
Tell.
I have a doubt. Why is that name is rich gourd? Are those rich?
I don't know. I think they're rich in vitamins.
This is rich only.
But they don't look rich. They have stripes.
It has many vitamins and minerals. That's why called
What is
rich
this?
gourd.
It's cutted. Get out of here. Hey, what is this?
And he is my uncle.
Hi. Pucha under pola. Mela vandu pachiga nuka. Kamlu pichirga ana.
Look, he farmer working here, I think. Come guys, I'll give you a tour of the whole land.
Organic farm.
Vegetable organic farm, my mom says. So guys, I think I've introduced my family. My mom's name is Kritika, I think. Yes, Kritika. My dad's name is Kumar. My name is Hiren Kumar. My brother's name is Nishad Kumar. He has a YouTube channel called Nishad's World. And he wants to tell something.
I want to say something.
What is it?
Why is there there's one plant over there. I know what plant is this.
I don't know. Look guys, flower.
I think in Tamil this name is Kottamalli.
Oh, I don't know that. So in my home we usually speak Tamil.
Say something again.
What, Nishad?
I have 35 subs and he has 32 subs.
Yep, but more videos than him and views. I have around 1,000 to 300. He only has 500 views or something like that. So scary.
I'm gonna go with that. It's so hot, guys.
It's so hot. Yep.
Guys,
So you can see the sun.
I want to say something.
Where is the sun?
Guys, I want to say something.
See sun. What, Nishad? Tell.
I got all those cars at my home and I even have a bike. It's this and my one more car is this my rocket car. It's all from Hot Wheels, and this is one broken. I have pieces. One more car is I like. That car is going very fast, and I like that car so much. And I'm gonna show it to you. It's this car.
It's called
Cloak
Cloak and Dagger.
It's green one.
So guys, view one more view. Move, Nishad.
Oh.
So I will give you guys an entire, I'll share some things about my family in further coming videos if I have more subscribers.
Yeah, you come, let's go.
Okay. So guys, look, I just found some cows over here. Look guys, cows. See? 2 cows. So guys, yes, these are the 2 cows, and look at this. They're covered it with some plastic, I think. And look, there are some plants over here. I really like this area, full of, oxygen. Look, there's some mini trees over here. So guys, take a look at the jackfruit over here. There's a small pump set over there. Look, jackfruit, and there are also some over here. So guys, this is the eucalyptus leaves, I think, and this is the tree.
I think
this is the eucalyptus tree. So guys, yes, I want vegetables. They are growing over here. They're actually growing. You can see there are many. Or 10 times zoomed it. So yes guys, I think this is it for today's video. Bye guys, see you in another video.